this Sunday. It's the ADNU University Lady Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya ngayong hapon po, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Reyes, and with me is Big Quata na magkakatid po sa inyo ng aksyon ngayong araw na to.
Yan, huling match na nga dito sa araw na ito, and ADNU Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang aabangan natin ang bakbakan between these two teams. And live na live ulit tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court and also on our live stream media, One Media TV 48 Naga o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. So yun nga, team, pag-usapan natin ang dalawang kupuna na ito. When it comes to the UNC Greyhounds, they fell short on their previous matchup between the Bucal University Wolves kung saan umabot tayo sa 5th set. So dito, titignan natin kung babawi ba from that defeat ang ating UNC Greyhounds.
Dito naman side ng ating ADNU Lady Knights, wala pa rin po sila ditong panalo. Kaya tignan natin ngayong hapon na ito kung lalaban ba sila against the UNC Greyhounds. Kaya kaabang-abang po ang ating pinaka-last game ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya antabayanan nyo lamang po. At of course, maraming salamat din po sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. And of course, mamaya po, isa-shoutout natin ang lahat ng nanonood sa atin ng live sa Bucal Facebook page at Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, team, talaga in a few minutes magsisimula na ang match-up between these two teams. Who will get their win here on Bucal Season 5? So aabangan nga natin yan. Dito again, ADNU Golden Knights need to play harder when it comes to this match because we know that UNC Greyhounds is a strong team at talagang nabanggit ko nga kanina, nakita natin na on that previous match natalo sila. So this time, they will bounce back from that defeat. And on the side of ADNU Golden Knights, wala pa silang talo. Gaya nga nung nasabi mo a while ago. So wala pa silang panalo rather. Yung sinabi mo kanina. So talagang uhaw sila makuha ang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Ayan, team. And aabangan natin ang ating mga live viewers sa kanilang pag-comment at mag-shoutout tayo mamaya. And to hear more update on the side of the Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Ali. Hi, Ali. Anong balita dyan?
Hi, Converge, and good afternoon, Bicolanos. After much anticipation, Bucal Season 5 men's and women's volleyball returns with a much-awaited matchup between the Lady Greyhounds and the ADNU Lady Knights. Before the 1-week hiatus, the Lady Knights had a neck-to-neck battle between the BU Lady Wolves, and despite their determination and drive to get their first win this Bucal Season 5, their efforts are still not enough. However, today, the Lady Knights are determined to prove themselves and finally get their first victory. This is Ali reporting on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights, and join me as we witness them dominate the hard court with a resounding one big fight only here at Bucal Season 5 1 Media TV 48 Naga or Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
So much, Ali. Ayan nga ang ating ADNU Golden Knights. Kahit man hindi pa sila nakakakuha ng panalo dito sa ating Bucal Season 5, they are really determined to get their first win. At ngayong hapon, titinan natin ang bakbakang UNC Greyhounds at ADNU Lady Knights kung ano nga ba ang inihanda nila, ano bang improvement ang ipapakita nila ngayong hapon na ito. At para naman makahingi tayo or babalikan natin namaya ang ating courtside reporter. We're starting our set number 1. Unang puntos na nakakuha ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now Rick on the line, Chavez.
First point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So yun nga, the ball is on the side of ADNU Golden Knights, but unfortunately, an error was committed by their players. Now, 2 straight points on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Again, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our live audiences here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court na talaga namang walang sawang nakatutok at para makahingi ng update sa side ng Greyhounds. Let's call our courtside reporter, IC. Hi, IC. What's the update there?
Good afternoon, gorgeous Bicolanas, and to all of our viewers via Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV 48 Naga. Welcome to Bucal Season 5 men's and women's volleyball, where the action never stops. This is IC Cortez, all the way from the side of the University of Nueva Cáceres Lady Greyhounds. The team are motivated to re-establish their dominance on the court and come back stronger this afternoon. Throughout their training sessions, Lady Greyhounds showed steadfast determination and drive as team. They worked continuously to hone their skills and develop their strategies during training. Will they emerge with victory and bounce back this game? Soon as we bring you all the thrilling actions this game. That's it for the side of the Lady Greyhounds. Back to you, Rick and Tim.
Thank you so much, IC. On the side of the UNC Greyhounds, they are really determined here to get a win against the Ateneo Lady Knights. And as we can see on that last sequence, the UNC Greyhounds get another point here, making it a 4-point lead against the Ateneo Lady Knights.
So now, great start for the UNC Greyhounds. 5-1 on our scoreboard. Ball is still alive and a miscommunication on the players of the Greyhounds. That's why the point will go automatically on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ayan nga, team. Belated happy birthday sa assistant coach ng NCF Cubs na si Ferdinand Jong Razal Jr. Belated happy birthday po. Back to the ball game.
On the side of the UNC Greyhounds, to serve. That was a service ace coming from her, making it a 6-point lead. And then, mapapatawag ng timeout ang ating Ateneo Lady Knights. Dahil nga, nagsisimula the other side, the Ateneo Lady Knights, they really need to double their effort now. As you can see on their last games, laging kulang pa rin. Sabi nga nila, it's not enough kahit pa ilang beses sila sumalang dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. But let's see now what will be the improvement on their side.
Ayan, an early timeout para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights because nakikita natin sa ating scoreboard na abante na dito ang ating UNC Greyhound. What will be the adjustment on the side of the Lady Knights? Now, jersey number 9 on the deck to serve para sa Greyhounds.
Balan is serving.
Now, service ace para kay jersey number 9. Ateneo Golden Knights need to lessen their error here sa ating first set because UNC Greyhounds is slowly pulling away.
Balane again.
Free ball para dito sa Greyhounds and a miscommunication between the players of the UNC Greyhounds. Lucky break coming from the Ateneo goal. So there's no room for error para dito sa Lady Knights.
Now Santilises serve.
Double contact violation was called on the center of the Greyhounds. 2 straight points para dito sa Lady Knights.
Santilises still serving for the side of the Lady Knights.
Now, in the middle, there's the number 1. Grabe, we can see her height advantage dito sa loob ng court. Service ace para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Credits that to Arizobal. Now, Arizobal on the deck to serve. Another service ace. Back to back para dito kay Arizobal. Ateneo Lady Knights needs to build momentum here and to have a good pass because this is their problem right now. Again, Arizobal with that perfect serve. Another timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yung nga, Rick, 10 na ang kalamangan dito ng ating UNC Greyhounds. While on the other side, still commits error here. Kailangan nila yung bawasan dahil almost halfway na itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, let's see sa pagpapatuloy ng ating bakbakang ADNU at UNC. Will there be a change of momentum between these two teams? Arizobal still on the service line.
Another great serve. Now, chance ball will be given on the Greyhounds. Ball is still alive. The rally continues. And jersey number 5 ended that long rally. Chavez will have a score on the last play.
Now still on the service line, Arizobal. The style was not powerful enough. Arizobal again. Another good serve. Now Chavez this time. And that's it. Masyado ng malaki ang kalamangan ni UNC Greyhounds dito sa pagsisimula ng ating set number 1. 17 serving 4. 8 points away and getting that set number 1. And Arizobal again to serve. So much power on that one. Medyo nanggigil na dito si Arizobal. That would be a bonus point for the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, Berquillo serving.
Too strong para kay Arizobal in that last sequence. That's why the point will go on the side of the Lady Knights.
Now, Berquillo again. Now, Berquillo again to serve. Now, Arizobal to attack. Ball is still alive here. Chavez. They have a long rally now. The style ending that rally with a powerful attack. 18 serving 7. Good start para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Destajo to serve. And that's an ace.
What a great score coming from Destajo. Una on that quick hit. Ngayon naman service ace. What a great player on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Destajo again. But this time, straight to the net, so the point will go on the side.
Jersey number 6. Olaso to serve. Outside, bonus point para sa UNC Greyhounds. And now, 5 na lamang ang kailangan to end the first set. Jersey number 10. Good serve. The service ace coming from Luna. Luna to serve. Straight through the net para dito.
It's away on getting this set number 1. Again, nahihirapan pa rin dito ang Lady Knights mag-convert ng point. What a nice dig coming from the Greyhounds. D will try and D will score.
Now Fortaleza. 22 serving 9. Pero the point will go on the side of the Lady Knights with that double contact of the UNC Greyhounds. Mahaba-haba dito ang pagtatrabahuan ng ating Lady Knights para makahabol sa puntos ng UNC Greyhounds. Again, Fortaleza to serve. Now, sets it up. Ball is still alive. Now, 3 ball ibibigay dito ng Lady Knights. Now, Chavez will try. Straight through the net. And a back-to-back point coming from the Ateneo Lady Knights. Chavez, papalitan dito ni Jersey number 12. Triho. Again, Fortaleza serving. Now Triho will try. And that's the point. Now Triho. 23-11, only 2 points away.
Another free ball on the side of the Greyhounds. Now Arizobal will get a point coming from that last
in favor of the for more actions starting set number 2 on the Rapid Sports TV.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
Sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our second set of the match. Nakuha nga dito ng UNC Greyhounds ang first set na yon, and let's see kung babawi ba dito ang ADNU Lady Knights. Yan ang aabangan natin lahat. Kaya tutok lamang sa Oragon Sports TV para sa ating maaksyong hapon.
Ayan nga, Rick. Ayan nga, Rick, nagsimula na ating set number 2. Unang puntos sa ating ADNU Lady Knights now. Long rally here.
Now, 1 point apiece para dito sa ating second set. So, kailangan na dito maging consistent ng dalawang players na to if they want to win this second set. And to hear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Icy. Hi, Icy. Anong balita ba?
How much Icy? Yan nga, sabi nga din sa side nila, don't be complacent dahil nga medyo malaki yung kalamangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating set number 2. Of course, syempre may laban din dyan ang ating ADNU Lady Knights. So let's see for the continuation of the set number 2 kung ano nga ba ang mangyayari dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And of course, sa ating ADNU Lady Knights, syempre babawi yan dito sa ating set number 2. Kung kaya't, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong update natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second set of this matchup. And during the previous set, the Lady Knights were devoured early by the Lady Greyhounds. However, despite their setbacks and errors on the first set, they are determined to bounce back and give a better performance on the remaining sets of the game. During the huddle, the coaches also reminded the girls to just relax at wag magmamadali. Do not focus on the attacks, rather give more emphasis on your floor defense. This is a must-win considering that it will be their first win this season. So let us anticipate a better Lady Knights on the remaining sets of the game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Tin and Rick.
And thank you so much, Ali, for that update. So yun nga, according to the head coach of the Ateneo Golden Knights, wag madaliin ang laro at wag mag-focus sa attacks, but focus on their game dito. Sa araw na ito, they need to follow the game plan na ginawa nila para makabawi at makuha ang set na ito. But on that last play, unforced error again was committed by Briquillo. 4-3 sa ating scoreboard, and abante dito ng isa ang UNC Greyhounds.
Now with the set number 2, sa pagsimula nito, medyo maganda yung naging gameplay ng Ateneo Lady Knights. So let's see if they will be consistent with this. So now, on the line, jersey number 17 of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now free ball will be given on the side of the Greyhounds. Chance for them to score. But net violation was called on Martires.
Now, jersey number 12. Renton.
Now Greyhounds on the attack. Arizobal was dug up now. Free ball on their side again. This time on the other corner. And still, UNC Greyhounds will get a point. Back to 1-point lead para sa Greyhounds.
Now Balane to serve. Only
Martinez setting up Arizobal. Now, free ball para dito sa Greyhounds. Now, another score para dito sa UNC.
now Balane to serve again. 4 serving 7.
No combination play and Arizobal again. Smashing and scoring para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Very high on attacking efficiency para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now, Balane again on the deck to serve. But this time, too strong for that. So the point will go on the side of the Greyhounds.
Now on the serving line, Santelices, 5 serving 8. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo sa USI CSG. Galing yan sa kanilang courtside reporter na si Chen Shaira. Yan, magandang hapon po sa mga nakikinig sa atin from USI CSG. Again, Santelices, only 2-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Ball still alive.
Now the Forteza to Briquillo and a monster block on that last play. Courtesy of Martinez and now team captain Felices. Ipapasok dito. Arizobal is out. Now Felices on the deck to serve para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. What a great serve. Now chance ball para dito sa Greyhounds. Too much angle on that last attack coming from jersey number 12.
Now 7 serving 9, Briquillo will serve the ball for the Lady Knights.
Now Briquillo serving the ball. And a service ace for her.
Medyo napaparami na dito yung error ng UNC Greyhounds pagsimula ng ating set number 2. Now, Briquillo again. Chance to tie the game against the UNC Greyhounds.
2-point lead para dito sa Greyhounds. Now Martinez on the deck to serve. So chance ball para dito sa Greyhounds. Nice dig. Naula Fortesa. Setting up D in the middle. Andun si Felices. Now, Golden Knights on the attack. Pero free ball lang ibibigay dito. Now, and off the block hit. Coming from jersey number 12.
Now Martinez. Good serve. Now Fortaleza sets it up. Converge now is off touch. Ball is still alive. Long rally here. This time, nakuha na ng UNC Greyhounds ang puntos na yan. Making it a 4-point lead dito sa set number 2. Martinez again to serve.
Now La Fortesa setting up D. Bakod na bakod. No entry para dito sa Golden Knights. Now Martires. But a timeout was called on the side of the Lady Knights.
Ayun nga, Rick. Dito sa ating set number 2, medyo maganda yung pasok para sa ating ADNU Lady Knights. Pero on the other side, the UNC Greyhounds, kahit aming error yung nakomit nila, it is set, they're still dominating the set number 2 with 5. Let's see, will they continue this gap against the ADNU Lady Knights, or the Lady Knights pupuntos dyan at makakalapit sa puntos ng UNC Greyhounds.
Again, napatawag dito ng timeout ang Golden Knights kasi again, UNC, paunti-unti dito humihiwalay sa ating second set. Now, let's see kung ano bang adjustment dito on the side of the Lady Knights. Martires on the deck to serve. Free ball will be given on the side of the Greyhounds. Too wide para dito kay jersey number 12.
Now Olaso to serve for the Lady Knights. Pero outside yan, bonus point for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now jersey number 10 of the UNC. An error coming from Luna. Fortaleza to serve. Outside din. Palitan na ng puntos galing sa error. Then serving with D. Now, jersey number 12.
Fortaleza. Masyadong dikit sa net. Yung set na yun, that's why. On the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, trio again on the deck to serve para dito sa Greyhounds. Fortaleza. Pababawin ang kanyang spiker. D D in the middle, soft touch, and then si Felices. Doon naman sa kabila. Again, all goes well para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. 7-point lead ang kanilang hawak. Now, trio again on the deck to serve. But this time, masyadong napalakas.
Now D serving. 11 serving 17. Now Felicet. Requilio ngayon. Attack. Babawi UNC Greyhounds. Getting that ball.
Now, Brequillo will try one more time. Trijo setting up Felices, but it hit the antenna, so the point will go on the side of the goal. Pababawin si K, and K will score. What a great serve.
Serving 28-point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon nga, 5 na lamang kailangan ng UNC Greyhounds to get again this set number 2. And as we can see, napakaganda na ng performance nila from the last time out. While on the other side, the Atenean Lady Knights need to lessen their errors here. But let's see what will be the change on the gameplay of the Ateneo Lady Knights here. We are back on the ball game. Sa ating last game this Sunday, UNC versus Ateneo. Now, Balane to serve.
Feliz has received the ball. And now, Martires will commit an error from that last.
Now, Santilices. Bigay kay Felizas, free ball. Pero outside yan, bonus point para sa Ateneo Lady Knights. At na lang ang kanilang hinahabol nila dito. And again, Santilices to serve the ball. Lisas babawi again. Now she will serve the ball for the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Masyadong dikit sa net. That's why hindi ito nagawa ng paraan ng Greyhounds. 21-15 on our scoreboard. Now, Briquillo will serve the ball para dito sa Lady Knights. Now, 2 straight points para sa Golden Knights.
Again, Briquillo to serve.
Free ball. Now, Ateneo needs to score here. Greyhounds will try. Trio will... So we have a rally here. One more time for Trijo. And Trijo will get a score.
Now Martires will serve 22, serving 16. Tatlong puntos na lamang para sa UNC Greyhounds to get the set number 2. Martires serving. And a good point. Now, Olaso serving. Ball is still alive here for the Lesa. Sets it up. Again, they will try. Ateneo. A end game. Pero that's it. They score to the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. Sumakabot because of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Olaso serving again. Well, still alive here. And Pinatay was there. So, set point again on the UNC Greyhounds. So only 1 point to get this set number 2. Let's see. Jersey number 10.
What a great hit coming from Trijo. And that ends our second set. Nakuha pa nito ng UNC Greyhounds. Magkabalik po tayo para sa ating set. Here at Maraming Sports TV. Bigyan ng mga kapatid.
And we are back again for the third set of the matchup of the ADNU Lady Knights and the UNC Greyhounds. Dalawang set na nga ang nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds. So now let's see if tuloy-tuloy na ba ang pagkuha nila ng panalo ngayong hapon na to. Or, well, the ADNU Lady Knights bibigay ang best para makuha ang set na to and to extend the game this Sunday. Of course, live na live pa rin po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV at Bucal Facebook page. Maraming salamat din po sa ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court.
Ayan. Nasa third set na tayo ng match-up na ito. And nasa UNC ngayon ang momentum. Ano kayang gagawin ngayon ng ADNU Lady Knights to get their first set dito? Now, Arizobal receiving that ball. Free ball dito para sa ADNU Lady Knights. Triho will try. Andoon ang libero. Now, ball is still alive. Fortaleza will give again a free ball on the side of the Greyhounds. We have a long rally here. Kanino kayo mapupunta ang puntos na ito? ADNU will try. Andun ang libero ng Greyhounds. And this one, mapupunta sa ating ADNU Golden Knights coming from that straight to the net attack of jersey number 9 sa UNC Greyhounds. And to hear an update on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Ali. Hi, Ali. Anong update dyan?
And Rick, we are now on the third set of this matchup, and the girls are now challenged by their coaches to receive the ball better and to showcase a better team chemistry inside the court. Coach Richard also emphasizing this is not an easy battle. So this is also not the time to go lousy, rather give your best to this ball game. Make sure that all of you are working your positions and be an effective one. Sipagan at mas pagtrabahuhan dahil kayang-kaya naman. Third set, make sure to raise their score higher. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
So much, Ali. Ayan nga. The ADNU Lady Knights still trying here for our set number 3. Napakagandang pasok ng set na ito para sa kanila. Now, Arizobal with that attack. What that point against the ADNU Lady.
What a great point coming from that sequence kay Arizobal. Kitang-kita on that elevation and the contact sa bola na talagang makakakuha siya ng puntos. But again, Triho will get an unforced error dito sa ating third set rather na ito. And to hear an update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Icy. Hi, Icy. Take it away.
Rick and Tin, the Lady Greyhounds are on the fire right now inside the court as they ended the second set. Coach Vincent said that the only thing that the player needs to do is to keep the intensity high inside the court, and they must have a smart play rather than giving all their strength. Dahil sabi nga niya, ang laro na ito ay hindi palakasan kundi pa utakan. That is the hottest update sa side ng Lady Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much. Yan, I see. Sabi nga nila, itong game na to, hindi lang palakasan. There's no 3-9 game. So look for holes at this moment. And let's see. 3-all na po tayo sa ating set number 3. Now, Destajo serving. Pero outside yan. So a bonus point on the side of the ADNU.
What a great hit coming from jersey number 9. Balade. Now Balane on the deck to serve para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. We are all tied up at 4. Briquillo. Now Fortaleza to Briquillo. Andun si Triho. Now Arizobal.
Isa lamang dito ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, Balane to serve again.
This time, sa middle naman. Grabe. The ball distribution and the effort of the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang it shows dito sa ating set number 3. The ball is properly distributed and all players contributed well. Now, free ball on the Greyhounds. Chance to add their score here. Arizobal. But this time, it was straight to the net, so the point will go on the side of the ADNU Lady Knights.
Six serving 5. Santilis is on the line to serve the ball for the Ateneo Lady Knights. Now, dikit ang laban sa pagpasok ng ating set number 3. Now, Balane. Too much power on that one. So, again, we are tied on 6.
The lead is on the side of the Lady Knights at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng UNC Greyhounds. Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok kanina pa hanggang ngayon. Shoutout dito kay Kyla Casulia, kay Jillian, and kay Chen na nakatutok sa atin live na live. Thank you so much po and happy viewing.
Yan. Salamat ang kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Lady Knights. Let's see, will it be a chance for the Lady Knights to conquer this set? This set number 3, or the UNC Greyhounds still dominate and finish this with 3 straight sets. Now we are back on the ball game. Now, Santilisas. Arizobal. Blocked by Briquillo and Fortaleza. Now, this is a good chance for the Lady Knights to dominate the set number 3. Santilisas to serve again. Miscommunication on the side of the Lady Knights. Seven, serving 8. Puntos mapupunta sa UNC Greyhounds. And we are tied on 8-all. Now, Arizobal will be on the service line to serve the ball for the UNC Greyhounds. Maganda ang pinapakita ngayon ng Ateneo Lady Knights sa pagpasok ng ating set number 3. But let's see if they will continue this game. Arizobal could serve. Fortaleza sets it up to Alaso. Briquillo, quick attack. Back to jersey number 12. Now long rally here. Babalik kay Briquillo to try one more. And this time, the UNC Greyhounds got that point. Now again, it's not more than 2 teams. So, make it or break it para dito sa UNC Ateneo. Now 9 serving 8. It is about to serve. And that's an ace. Dyan, papatawag ng timeout ang Ateneo Lady Knights. 10 serving 8. Now, with the start of the set number 3, maganda yung pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. But on that last sequence, dalawang sunod-sunod na puntos na nakuha ng UNC Greyhounds. So let's see what would be the improvement or the adjustment of the Ateneo Lady Knights para makahabol pa rin sa puntos na yan ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now the table has turned. The lead is on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. What a great timeout for them. Nakikita naman natin dito na talagang ginagawa na nila ang kanilang game plan according to their coach on that huddle. And on the side of Ateneo Lady Knights, they need to regain back themselves para makuha ang kalamangan this third set. Now, Orizabal on the deck to serve para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Another sharp serve. Ateneo will try. And now, another score para dito sa UNC Greyhound.
Now, Orizabal again to serve. That's an error. Bonus point for the Ateneo Lady Knights. Still 2-point lead on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Bucal to serve. Outside, bonus point para sa UNC Greyhounds. Destao will be back on the court now. With 3-point lead coming from them. Now Binaday will serve the ball for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Pero error para dito para ng UNC. Olaso. Coverage. Now Ateneo will try. And the point will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, isa na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Greyhounds. Orizabal, pipe attack was good.
Now jersey number 10 to serve the ball. 13 serving 11.
Now chance ball para sa Greyhounds. Luna straight to the net. So the point will go on the side of the Ateneo Lady Knights. So on that last sequence, it was Balane. Ball is still alive now. UNC Greyhounds on the offense. Buhay pa dito ang bola. Trio will try. Fortaleza. And D giving up a free ball. We have a rally here. Now, another chance ball sa Greyhounds. Balane ending that long rally. Back to 2-point lead para dito sa UNC Greyhounds.
Now, Santelices. Okay, dito kay Arizobal. Puntos, makukuta sa ADNU. With only 1-point lead on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Grabing bakbakan na dalawang kumpunato dito sa set natin. Arizobal again, try. Lasso to the block. Making it 14-all against the UNC Greyhounds. Dahil dyan, napatawag na ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds with that good comeback coming from the Ateneo Lady Knights. 14-all, grabe. Humabol din naman talaga itong ating Ateneo. So this would be a unpredictable set number 3. Will it be a change of momentum here? Will the Ateneo got a set and extend the game against the UNC Greyhounds, or the UNC Greyhounds finish this for 3 straight sets? So let's find out as we continue this set, UNC versus Ateneo. And of course, we would like to greet all the live viewers dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Of course, the supporters of the UNC and the Ateneo. Talaga naman kahit anong oras na, andito pa rin sila to support their teams. Now we are back on the ball game. Jersey number 12 on the side of the Ateneo to serve the ball. But the point will go on the side of the Ateneo. 1-point lead coming from the Ateneo. At this very crucial point, no more room for errors for the UNC and Ateneo. And again on the line, jersey number 12. He's about to attack. Babawiin naman agad dyan. Again, deadlock on 15. Now substitution, double substitution for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Felices will be back on the court, as well as Martires. What will be their contribution now, as we are on a very crucial point of the game? Felices.
So 2 straight points para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Kailangan ditong bawasan ng unforced error ng dalawang koponan na ito. Now Felices serving the ball. Unforced error.
All again. Now, sino ba ang mag-serve dito sa side ng Ateneo?
Now, nagkakaroon dito ng discussion sa side ng ating officials. Now, great serve. Martires setting up Arizobal, and Arizobal making the most out of it.
1 point lead coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now Balane. Very crucial set for these two teams. Almost an ace. And the point will go on the side of the ADNU. Lady Knights with the help of the head of Briquillo. Natawa na lang sila doon sa last sequence na yun. Good save from her. And the game still continues as we are tied back on 17 all. Santilisas now to serve.
Chavez. Ball is still alive. Martirez with that soft touch, and Martirez will get a point.
Palitan na ng puntos dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. On the line to serve Chavez. 18 serving 17. 1 point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Lasso. Very crucial error coming from her. Naitasin sa dalawang kalabangan ng UNC Greyhounds. At napatawag nga ng timeout ang ating Neo Lady Knights dahil maganda na nga yung naging performance nila dito. Maging bakbakan and crucial na. But with that last error coming.
Crucial unforced error on that last play para dito sa ating Lady Knights. 2-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds. Now, mag-shoutout ulit tayo team sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout kay Hannah Cheska, kay Angela Ampongan, and kay Aljon Adayo. Happy viewing po. Back on court. Now Chavez on the deck to serve para dito sa UNC Greyhounds.
Chavez. A service ace. Now, pagdating ang kalabangan dito ng UNC Greyhounds. What will they do at this moment? Stand on the side ng ating Neo Lady Knights. Now, Fortaleza. Olaso. Too much power on that one. Sunod-sunod na error na nga nagagawa dito. The Lady Knights, 21 serving 79. Kasunod sa apat ng lamangan dito. Just 4 points away, the UNC Greyhounds will get their win this afternoon as Chavez again to serve. This time, error. Bonus point para sa ating Neo Lady Knights.
Trijo will try and Trijo will score. 22-18. 3 points away on getting this game para dito sa UNC Greyhounds.
Now Martirez. To serve. 22-18. 3 points away. UNC Greyhounds. Let's see. Fortaleza, free ball bibigay dito. No, set sira para dito kay Trijo. Free ball again. Now, Testajo getting that point, making it just 2 points away. Winning this game against the ADNU Lady Knights.
Now, D will try. Nukoyo ng Greyhounds. Free ball will be given on the side of the Lady Knights. Fortaleza setting up D in the middle. Andon si Martires. Pero walang kumuha on that second touch. That's why the ball will go on the side of the Lady Knights. Now, it's not yet over for the ADNU Lady Knights. But a crucial service error dito sa Lady Knights. That's why UNC Greyhounds is now on match point. Babalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV for more action.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenis, and this is Sportify.
The game is brought to you by Ateneo de Naga University, One Big Fight. Here with me is jersey number 8 with 12 points, 8 attacks, 4 service aces, Sheena Arizobal. Congratulations for this win. I have some questions for you. Knowing na natalo kayo last game and everyone knew that it is a tight play between Greyhounds and the Lady Wolves, how does it feel you've come back stronger?
Ala, speechless po. Ano po, marami po kaming lapses po nung sa bio po nakalaban namin and nakabawi naman po kami. Yung mga error po namin, nabawi po ngayon namin sa Ateneo po. And ano po, speechless pa ko. Ginawa naman namin po lahat na best namin para po manalo po ngayong sa ADNU po.
And for the first and second set, binigyan nyo kami ng magandang laro at malaki ang naging lamang ninyo dito. But on the third set, nagdikit ang scores ninyo against the Golden Knights. How do you feel about your personal and yung team performance nyo for this game?
Ano po, ginawa namin yung best namin na iwasan po namin yung maraming error and sa ano po, nakahabol po kasi kalaban sa service namin. And ayun po, nabawi man agad po.
Yes, thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 8, Sheena Arizobal. This has been IC Cortez all the way from the side of the University of Nueva Cáceres Lady Greyhounds.
And that's it. That's our best player of the game, Sheena Arizobal, garnering 12 points, 8 attacks, and 4 service aces. Kudos to the UNC Greyhounds and of course the Ateneo Golden Knights for making this afternoon a very fun to watch.
Ayan, kaya Rick, abangan niyo po ang mga susunod na laban dito sa Men's and Women's Bucal Season 5. Kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Alcanzo-Reyes.
And Rick Puerta, at abangan natin next week ang bakbakan ulit dito sa Hardcore, Tony here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.